L-ispirazzjoni ta' Malti li twieled fir-Renju Unit u li bdiet minn meta kellu 6 snin meta żar pajjiżna, mużiċist u akademiku li llum iqis lilu nnifsu bħala Malti Britanniku. Net News tkellem ma' Joseph Aquilina li fl-aħħar xhur ħadem mal-producer ta' fama internazzjonali Chicane. Fil-ħidma li wetta Aquilina huwa kanta bil-Malti u llum il-lingwa Maltija tinsab f'żewġ kanzunetti tal-album il-ġdid ta' Chicane, Everything We Had to Leave Behind.
Chicane asked me to write something in Maltese because I met Chicane through his manager, who I knew from years ago from doing my own music that was in Maltese as well. So my own music prior to working with Chicane was exploring the Semitic roots of the Maltese language with the music.
L-imħabba tiegħu lejn il-mużika nibdet mhux biss bl-impatt li kellhom il-qraba tiegħu fuqu, iżda wkoll minn żjara li kellu ta' 6 snin fl-ipoġew ta' ħalsa flini.
At that same time, that same day, around the same time when I was in Malta, was my first experience of the hypogeum in Malta. Okay, so Malta for me is very spiritual, in that respect. So that was where I started to understand Malta with music and language.
Tul intervista Joseph Aquilina qasammana kif illum huwa għandu l-ADHD, kundizzjoni li huwa dawwara biex jissaħħaħ fil-karriera tiegħu. Huwa qalilna li l-kelma Maltija hija għal qalbu ħafna u ma ddejjaq xejn biex iwassal messaġġ lil Maltin biex nużżu lil din il-lingwa tagħna.
Lingwa importanti tal-prux Multana. It's about being a human and it's about being Maltese.
James Ellul, Net News.